Good afternoon. This is a demonstration video for our project Social Abstractions. In this video, we'll be talking about the workflow, how Astra database is being used here, and the final product we have made out of these technologies. And at the end, we'll be going through the GitHub repository. So starting off with the workflow, we are taking a mock data file as input. The mock data file has around 200 post data, and each post has metrics of engagement, timestamps, and at last post type. So this data is being split and then stored as embeddings into a vector database, which is Astra database over here. And we are taking chat input over here. And the main two prompts, the first prompt specifies how the result should look and how the model should react to the queries. The second one takes care of the edge cases, like if the inquiry made is not relevant to the dataset, then it doesn't provide the result based on its own knowledge. It adheres to the dataset we have provided it. We're combining both the prompts over here and then further combining this prompt with the chat input to get a final modified prompt. And then we are querying based on the chat input in the database. Uh, Here is the link. And then we are passing the search results directly to Grok. Then as input for the Grok query, we are providing the final prompt and the Grok provides us with the answers as chat results. Here is how it looks in the playground. Let's start with the chat and make a query. So our prompt says we want to get moderate engagement, not too much, not too less on a post. So what would be the appropriate type for it? So based on the engagement data we have provided, it has suggested that reels get an average of this and static images get an average of this. So if we want to receive moderate engagement, the model recommends static image posts in this case, which gets around these engagement metrics. So based on the dataset, it has provided us with an result. So I think it works fine. And here is the flow at a glance. Now moving on to the database. So we are using vector database provided by AstraDB. This is the database, and these are the meters. So we have stored the data as mock data. These are the embeddings. Now moving on to the website we have created for this. This is the social abstraction website. Here are the basic instruction we should be using, and let's go through a conversation. So we asked for a static image and what would be the best time to get best engagement. So it has replied that to post a static image and get best engagement results, this time would be optimal based on the data we have provided. Similarly, give me insights based on the data posting on social media, and we can go on and on and on. This is how it works. And finally, the GitHub repository. This is the link, and this is the documentation, the key components we have used, how it works, benefits of using open AI models, how it helps in embedding and all. These are the screenshots of our website, and this is how to clone the GitHub repo. That's it. Thank you for your time. I hope you like the project.